Okay, let's take a ride up to the off-grid cabin up there. Kind of a noisy ride. All right, here we are at the off-grid location. Got a little muddy there. Had a lot of rain lately, so that's a little bit of a problemo. So let's check this bad puppy out. I got a 100-watt solar panel up on the roof here. It's a Renogy. Probably not pronouncing it right, I never do, but it's a 100-watt solar panel with a little hoppy toad, and that solar panel supplies enough power for this camper here all summer and actually all winter. I don't live in here, but it's my off-grid camp, home away from home, and I did a little decorating here. And you can see my little blend job here. I'll get a better picture over here for you. That's my my camo. There's nobody out here, so I mean, my property goes all the way up to the top of the hill, so I just painted it so that, you know, it just looks like a, you know, off-grid camper. I have my solar controller over here, right there, and when she's got green lights, batteries are full. And I have this wired so that I have lights that come on in here at night. It kind of helps a little bit with the rodents. You still gotta, you know, they're kind of a pain in the ass to deal with, especially when you don't live in it 24/7. But I got lights, like I say, they come on automatically when it gets dark. One here, it's a blue light. And I got another one up there, that's another blue light. And I got power outlets and stuff here. I got, you know, your typical 12-volt outlet there. That's my puppy, you can probably hear him barking. And I put this fan up here to help exhaust some of the heat. It never really gets hot in here because it's in the woods, and I'm pretty much now this is I don't know, it's gotta be like what, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and I got 12.9 volts right now. I'll put a USB port in there too, so you can charge your phone. So, but usually that will be about 13.7, something like that during the day, and then of course nighttime comes and it probably goes down to like 13. But yeah, it was pretty much a mess when I got it. I didn't realize it was as bad as it was. I had to put a floor in it. I didn't have to, but I did, just because I ripped out a lot of this crap. I ripped out the seats here. I put this table in here, but this table's got to go. I'm gonna put something smaller in here. But yeah, so everything works. The heat works. Refrigerator works. What do we got up here? Ooh, look at that. We got a cold one there. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll be taking that with us. Yeah. But, yeah, refrigerator works really good. I don't run it on off of the battery or anything like that, but I got a little small generator, a little 2,000 watt Champion generator. I got a little generator house out here that I built. And you can hardly hear this thing running out here. I just put that up there to deaden the noise. But it's my little Champion generator, just a little 2,000 watter. And it powers everything in here. I mean, it lasts for like 9-10 hours. And if I stay up here in the winter time, I can leave it running if I want. When I started closing this all in the other day, I had a raccoon on my game camera. So I gotta kind of deter him from coming up here. I started blocking this side in and that side in. I gotta go up and do the rest. So there you have it. I'm still building I gotta put a roof over here, over the deck, hopefully before winter. And I also gonna put an outhouse there. I haven't decided how big I want to make it. I'd like to make it big enough to put the four-wheeler in. Would be nice, because then that way there, when I come up here and stay here in the wintertime and it gets snowed in, I don't have to unbury the four-wheeler. So that's the plan. We'll see what happens. But there you go. This is my off-grid camp. Like, subscribe. I've only got a few subscribers. I can't make you, but you know, you can hit the thumbs up. I mean, it doesn't hurt to say, hey, you did a good job. I mean, I know that's asking for a lot these days. But subscribe, like.